Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this session we are going to discuss about artificial intelligence agents. We will discuss all the important concepts related to this topic including the introduction, benefits, and I will explain all the concepts with the help of some easy examples. So now let's just start the discussion. As you can see here, an agent is anything that can perceive its environment, or we can say an agent can perceive the environment with the help of their senses or sensors, or they can observe the things around them, right? Agents can also decide what action to take at the particular point of time, and also they act on the environment to achieve a goal. In simple terms, we can also say it as an agent is anything that can perceive its environment with the help of their sensors and act upon it through actuators. So it always use some actuators to act upon that particular situation. If we talk about agent, so it has only three major functions, like it first perceive the thing, perceive the environment, it decides what it has to do, and then it act on that particular thing, right? Other than this, we can also say an agent is nothing but it can be any entity that perceives its environment and takes action that maximize its chance of achieving the goals. As we all know, overall the role of using agents in AI is to maximize the chance of achieving the goal, and agents in AI are doing the same thing, right? In more simpler form, we can also say an agent is like a smart helper. Listen this point carefully. An agent is like a smart helper that sees things and does something in its environment to reach a goal, right? Now let's take some example. As I have told you, agents are like some smart helpers, right? For example, if I have a smart helper, he or she will see what is happening around it. That is taken under the perceive section. After perceiving the environment, it thinks what to do. That means the decision making process. And after deciding what to do at that particular point of time, they act, they do something to clear that particular thing. I have one more example here. Let's say a robot vacuum cleaner. It sees it sees the dirt and walls, thinks where to move, and does the cleaning, right? So when it sees the dirt and obstacles in the environment, it is taken under perceiving point. Where to move next is the decision that it makes, and action is the movement and cleans. One more example I would like to add here is Google Maps. This is one of the most important example here. In Google Maps, it sees your location and traffic. Then in the second step, it thinks the best route. It decides the best route for you. And in the third point, it does show you the directions. Clear? I hope everything is clear till now. Other than this, as you can see here, we have one more example like a chess playing AI. In the perceiving mode, the board position is there. In the decision mode, it always chooses the best move. In the action mode, it makes the move to achieve its goals. Other than these examples, some parts of agents are really very important for your examination, whether you are preparing for your college level exams or you are preparing for your competitive examinations. So parts of agents are really very important. So the first part we have is sensors. Sensor means eyes, ears, to see or to hear, right? These are the sensors. Second part is the brain. Brain to think, that helps us to decide something. And the third part is actuators. Hands, legs, which helps to complete any action, to complete any task, right? Now let's move to the benefits of using artificial intelligence agents. So the first benefit is it works on its own, that is autonomous. For example, agents can make decisions without human help. For example, a self-driving car. As you all know about it, a self-driving car drives without a driver. It is done with the help of agents in AI. Another benefit is it handles the complex tasks. It always breaks big problems into smaller steps and solve them, right? For example, online shopping boards. We have so many online shopping boards that compare thousands of products very quickly. This can be done with the help of AI agents. The third benefit is it saves time and effort. We can say agents do tasks faster than humans, obviously, right? Like we have, let's say, chatbots in so many websites, in so many platforms, and chatbots can answer the customer questions 24/7 basis, but humans cannot do this. Another benefit of using AI agent is it learns and improves. So learning agents get better with the experiences. For example, Google Maps learns traffic pattern in a following manner, right? Next we have is its flexibility. So in simple words, we can say agents can adapt to changes in the environment. For example, a delivery robot changes its path if the road is blocked. That is called the flexibility. I hope students you are getting every point. If you have any doubt related to any of the given explanations, you can comment below. I will surely get back to you as soon as possible, right? Next point we have is scalability. The example of scalability can be a swarm of drones searching for people in disaster areas. That is your scalability. Many agents can work together like multi-agent system or something like this, right? Next we have is reliability. Reliability means if one agent fails, others can continue. That is taken under basically in your multi-agent systems. If one agent fails, then others can continue. Others can continue to achieve that particular goal, right? So all these are the benefits, examples, and introduction definitions of using artificial intelligence agents. Clear everyone? If you have any doubt, you can surely comment below, and if you like the session and you want me to continue the series, then share your feedback in the comment section. So thank you so much.